class. Today we'll continue from where we stopped. We're just trying to recover from what we've learned so as to prepare us for the exam. So just a sneak bite of what we've learned so far. So sets today. And then what is set? Set is a collection of data where you combine, you compare set A and set B, or the elements, and you want to move everything together, blend everything together. So but first of all, we need to look at the technologies on that set. We have universal. This guy is universal, okay? Universal. Or in some textbook you see it written as this. Okay, so what does this mean? Universal means the model of what set contains every element, everything. Okay, it has content just like a classroom that contains hall, or your hall rather, that contain everybody no matter their class. So that's universal. Then you have this guys, equality, equivalent rather. Now equivalent means that set A is equal to set B. And what does that mean? If I have set A, an element of set A is 1, 2, A and B. And I have set B, I have 3, 6, 1 and 5. Now I can say that set B, A is equivalent to B. Why? Because the number of elements that you have here is the same number you have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is this equivalent to this is yes. Why? Because you have the same number. Now the other one is equal set. Equal set is when the set A is equal to set B. Say for example, you have A and you have B to B. 1, 1, 3, 4, 2. Now, I can say that A is equal to B. Why? Because here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, but here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you look at it, try, you have 4 against 5. But however, this one you count it once. Okay, it will be once. So, this is simple as saying 1, 3, 4, and 2. So, total here what? 4. Total here is what? 4. So, that means A is equals to B. They have power of set. If I have set A to have 1, 2, and 3. The power set means here that means that my power is represented by 2 raised to power S. Okay, that's why you have your S here. 2 raised to power S. Hence, if I want to get the power of S here, I will count 1, 2, 3. That means my S is 3. So this will give me 2 raised to power 3. And 2 raised to power 3 is what? 8. That means I can write this 8 times. That means the power of this set is 8. So that means that my A, I can say from here I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 1, 2, I have 1, 3, I have 2, 3, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I have 1, 2, 3. So that makes how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I have 3, 1. So that means this. So if you have 4, that means if you have 4 elements in A, 2 raised to power 4, give you then that means you can write that in a number of times that you have it. Then we have union. Union means bringing together 2 sets. Bringing together 2 sets. So we have, if I'm going to use for example, I'm going to say you write A union B. My union B will be, I'm going to combine all the elements here with repetition. So I have 1, I have 1 here, 2, 3, A, B, 6, and 5. So I'm combining all the elements here and here together. So that's union. So when you bring everything together. Intersection. Intersection means what they have in common. If I want to do intersection B of this now, I have what they have in common. There's 1 here, there's 1 here. What else? I think that's all. So the intersection of A between A and B is 1. Because intersection is what you have in common. While union is what you have together. Now you have complements. This guy is prime or complement. Now for you to do prime or complement, it must deal with universal. Okay, it must deal with universal. So that means that you are removing that particular subset from the main set and you're writing out the remaining one. So for example, if my universal is A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, and my subset A is A, 1, 2, 3. If I'm to find A prime, that means I'm going to remove what I have here from here. And I'm going to remove the remaining. I'm going to write out the remaining. That's my A prime. So A cancel A, 2 cancel 2, 3 cancel 3, and 1 cancel 1. So my A prime will be the remainder. What is remaining here? B, C, and D. B, C, and D. That's my A prime. Okay. Then same as A complement. We're also going to do A complement. It's the same thing. Prime and complement means the same thing. The next class I'll see you, where we'll be doing Venn diagram.